Hi there, I'm Mark from HP and I'm very excited to be here today to talk to you about the ZBook Firefly G7, the latest and greatest mobile workstation from HP. There are three pillars of innovation that HP always considers when designing Z workstations, and that's performance, design and sustainability. This includes a rigorous 120,000 hour testing program and 19 separate military grade tests. The use cases for our ZBook Firefly include creative professionals, media, power users. We even have one of these in the International Space Station. The ZBook Firefly is optimized for the mobile professional on the go. The whole Firefly range is up to 9% thinner and 10% lighter this generation versus last generation, designed for maximum portability and ease of carrying. The ZBook Firefly is built with pro-level performance in mind, with the NVIDIA Quadro P520 graphics, which is 4 gigs of RAM, and that's great for powering high-performance workflows, including Autodesk, SolidWorks, and Revit. The ZBook Firefly includes the latest Intel Core i5 and i7 CPUs, which feature a big performance improvement over what we saw in the previous generation. Now, why is that important to our customers? Well, our customers are often in the creative industries and therefore time is critical to them. And so this product will make them more efficient. It can be configured with both 4K and high dynamic range, which offers deeper blacks and whiter whites. This can be further enhanced with the built-in NVIDIA Quadro graphics. This screen offers our users a fantastic viewing experience with an 86% screen-to-body ratio. The ZBook Firefly is also available with HP SureView Reflect, which is HP's integrated privacy screen, which prevents against visual hacking at the touch of a button. The ZBook Firefly is built for collaboration. We have the HP privacy camera above the display here, which can be physically closed to stop the webcam. Also, there are 3 microphones built in here, including a real-world facing microphone on the top of the chassis, which is perfect for enhancing the conferencing experience. Finally, we have Bang & Olufsen speakers built in, which is supported by HP noise cancellation technology. Before now, power users had to choose between performance and mobility. With the ZBook Firefly 14 and 15 G7, there is no compromise. With the latest security features built in, including HP Sure Start and HP Sure View, these are the most secure mobile workstations in the industry. Perfect for creative industries and power users.